This is 2118 Shady Cove. It's a two-bedroom, single-wide mobile with an add-on in Holiday, Florida. And it is available as one of our just moving as is specials. The folks who had lived here for almost 2 years have moved. And this is the way we're offering it now. It's exactly as they are leaving it. It has some stuff which may or may not be here. Cabinet, bookcase, some furniture. As I say, it may or may not go with these things depending on whether or not there is some demand for them and whether or not the person moving in would like them. So don't count on them, and if it's something that you would not want, we will remove it. As we said, it is a two-bedroom, one-bath, single-wide mobile. It is west of 19 in Holiday, Florida. And it is available as a rental with as-is pricing at $949 a month. It is available as a rent-to-own. $3,900 moves you in, pays first month's rent, last month's rent, guarantees, it gives you an option which guarantees you the right to buy the house for a 2-year period at a guaranteed locked-in price. And it is available also as owner finance for a non-owner occupied situation. In other words, if you were looking to buy the place as a rental and we're not looking to own it and live in it, we would do owner finance. So choices. This bonus room, or possibly a third bedroom, has been used as a third bedroom and a storage room. So it really conceivably could be a three bed, one bath. It could be a 2-bed, 1 bath, and it's available as a rent to own. It's available as a rental. It is available as owner finance as well for non-owner occupied. 2118 Shady Cove. The cat does not go with. Cat seems to have a different opinion. 2118 Shady Cove, Holiday, Florida. For more information, contact George Beardsley, most flexible landlord seller on the planet. I have a real estate license, and if you deal with me directly, you pay no real estate commission.